What's the meaning of anabolic steroid? Anabolic steroid. Anabolic steroid. Anabolic steroid. Anabolic steroid. Anabolic steroid.
Anabolic steroids are synthetic substances that mimic the effects of testosterone in the body, promoting the growth of muscle tissue and bone density. They are often used illegally to enhance athletic performance or alter physical appearance. The use of anabolic steroids can cause a variety of short-term and long-term health effects, including increased risk of heart disease, liver damage, and infertility. They can also lead to mood swings, aggression, and other mental health issues. While anabolic steroids can produce rapid physical changes, their use is associated with significant risks and should only be taken under medical supervision.